So today I brought this car. I'm gonna shoot some POVs. So there has been lots of complaints, lots of comments regarding my driving. Oh, you don't know how to drive, stay, blah 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 blah. You know what? And then I kept responding. Look at me driving, the Porsche, Porsche and other cars, to demonstrate how good I am in driving. They wouldn't trust me. So today I'm gonna do one more video demonstrating how I can drive. I'm not gonna drive fast because the main purpose of it is to see I'm not grinding the gears. If I drive like this, I'll never grind the gear. You know why? The reason I grinded gears was because I was driving the Porsche. But if I drive like this, whether or not I do the downshift rev match, heel and toe or not, I don't drive. See? It's because I'm shifting slow. I'm shifting like everyone else is shifting. I'm not shifting like I'm shifting the Porsches or Ford GT. Second gear, chirps. You're not hearing it, but it is spinning. Heel and toe. We're back.